Hey guys, so let's talk about supplier interface, and there's a method get. So let's quickly write some code for that. So close all. Let's get a new package. So write paste package, then package. I'll call this supplier demo. Done. And in this root package, I'll create a new class. Class will have some some operations on it. So supplier tester, and it's done. Okay, so first set of lambda expression I will write for let's say I want to print date. Okay, and you can think of any function you can write of it, or write a you can either write a whole method or just a lambda expression. So we'll hold it first of all in some reference of supplier. There it is, and here we have to tell the type what we are going to return. So we are going to return a data object from util package. So let's say supplier equals, and we are expecting a return type. Its type is date. So here I'll say new date, and since I want to return it, and that's only one statement here, you can use it, and need to write that operation blank and this. Okay, yep, that's it. And once it's come to printing it, so sys out else dot get the result. That's it. This is from previous example, so remove all this thing, and let's run this code from the scratch. So right click, run as application, and here we go. That's the current time. It's 18:05. There it is. You can see 16:06:05 p.m. is here. 6 hours. Okay, if I run this code one more time, okay, it's 20 now. 24. So you can see second is increasing, right? 27, 30. So yeah, we are getting current time from this lambda expression of supplier. One more thing we can write. Let's assume I have to generate a OTP. Okay, some kind of a code which will generate on every execution. So it's going to be string type or integer type. Let's take that way. So I'm going to take it as a string type because I have to do some operations at it. So let's say string s. Let's call this, okay, just s is let's call this OTP. Okay, one time password or pin, and here blank because we are not supposed to pass any argument. Then body starts because I have to write some logic here. So let's say string OTP blank, then let's run a for loop. Okay, just any logic. I'm simply going for any logic you can use. I equals 0 to, okay, that's fine. Let's run this till 5 times. So let's get 6 or equals to 5, whatever logic you want to use. And here I'll say OTP equals OTP, then I'll do some kind of a mathematical operation. There's a class math which I can use. So math dot random, then whatever random value I will get, I'll multiply with 10 because maybe I can get some digits as well, and I'll cast it to int in case if I'm getting any decimal value. So that will come converted back to the int value, and then I'm appending it. So this loop will run 4 or 5 times, and once it's done, I'll say return OTP and semicolon, done. Okay, and this should be local variable and closing scope. So let's do one thing. Take this outside, but if I give it outside, it start giving error. Let's do one thing. Let's put it here, and because we have the same variable name, so let's just say supply OTP. Okay, that's fine. That's a variable. It was conflicting it. So time to use it. Use this lambda expression. So simply say sys out the reference name, that is supply OTP, and get it. That's it. So let's run this code one more time to see the impact. And it's 483987. Okay, let's run this code one more time. Different, right? So every time I execute this code, we're getting a different OTP. So you can use it. So that's what even documentation says, that you might expect some new or distant object, sometimes not. So it's totally up to your requirement. The whole idea is once you have a supplier, it will just generate or it will do some operation without taking an output. So something is kind of fixed, and I mean the process is fixed and you want to do some operation on some condition, so you can use supplier on it. So that's all about supplier interface. So stay tuned guys, we will see some more functional interfaces in upcoming classes. There we talk about some by predicate functions, some primitive functional interfaces. So a lot more is coming up, so stay tuned, we have to discuss a lot. So till then, bye bye.